Welcome to drinktec 2025 and welcome to Krones. Today here at our Meet the Expert forum, it's all about the latest products and the latest trends. Let's talk about cans. Cans are more popular than ever, but can filling comes with its own set of challenges. So let's take a closer look and see if we can make your lines more reliable, more efficient, and more cost-effective. So, what do you think? Can we tackle all the challenges in can filling? Our expert for product treatment technology at Krones says, yes, we can. Please give a warm welcome to Shane Lilley. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks so much. Thanks for having me over.
So to get started, when we talk about challenges in can filling, what are we exactly talking about? Where does the shoe pinch the most?
All right, so let me just show you a couple of examples first. You know that Krones makes excellent can lines, right?
Of course.
Right, so the good thing is our customers always strive for more, and Krones goes up and beyond to satisfy this. There's an array of recurring challenges that we take on, however, such as, for example, the lack of space, bad container handling, high complexity, multiple changeovers, accessibility, the flow of the containers itself, energy consumption, and also where to place the buffer.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, it is. Our existing solutions do a good job on tackling these problems, but there still is some potential to take it up a notch.
Then let's take it up a notch, shall we?
All right.
Okay.
So, okay. I take it you heard of our block solutions?
Yes, that's how it all began at Krones, right?
That's right. And I assume many of you have actually read the Krones magazine article on this. Well, back in 1975, Hermann Kroneseder already envisioned a line where all machines are directly connected to each other. And as you can see, the tunnel pasteurizer also played a vital role in this vision. And this year, we are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the block technology vision. And finally, we have managed to accomplish this for our can lines.
Well, first of all, congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much.
On both the anniversary and the new can line. Let's have a look at the latter. So, what is different when you compare it to a conventional can line?
Okay, so conventional lines connect the machines with mass flow conveyors. These also act as the line's buffer. And our brand new LinaFlex eSync tunnel pasteurizer, however, is directly connected to the filler with a single lane conveyor.
That sounds pretty revolutionary to me. Is it a brand new concept?
It definitely is, yes, and it is also unique in the market. The LinaFlex eSync comes with a new infeed, which converts single lane into mass flow, which makes it more comfortable to add a PU logger. It reduces complexity. It comes with an automatic dynamic speed control. It handles the cans very gently.
Wait a second. Okay, I need more information. You too, right? So there's a lot to look at. Shall we start with the speed control it was?
Of course, sorry.
Okay.
So sometimes in life things don't work out as we want them to, right?
Sure.
And this also applies to technology, by the way. So little hiccups can lead to a drop in filling speed, and tunnel pasteurizers don't like this. They always want to be fed with 100% speed, or else they will starve waiting for the cans to finally arrive. Then they will want to cool and... What are you grinning? Why are you laughing?
I'm really sorry, but it reminded me of the Cookie Monster, what you just said.
Okay. Well, she's a hungry beast for sure. The problem with this is, however, every time the machine stops, the products, they require cooling. We don't want to overcook our customers' products, right?
No.
And when cooling is involved, reheating follows.
That requires a lot of energy, I assume.
Exactly.
Okay.
So what happens here is the pasteurizer simply counts the cans at the infeed. They are all neatly in line, which makes this easy. So we always know how fast the filler is running, and this happens without any signal exchanges.
What's the advantage of that? Less complexity, or?
Well, this basically means that the conveyors delivers this information, and the pasteurizer simply adapts its speed. And as long as the speed remains somewhere between 25 and 100% of the nominal speed. And this is all about keeping the line running.
That's what it's all about, and that's for sure. Another advantage I remember that you named in your flood of advantages was the gentle can handling. To me, it seems they enter the line even faster, so how can this be gentle for the can?
Well, that's a very good observation, but no, really, this is not really an issue. See, regular pasteurizers are fed with mass flow conveyors. These containers are then forced onto the main belt of the pasteurizer, Let's see if I can make it out. There you go. And this puts around 15.5 kilograms of pressure on the cans.
That's pretty heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Will cause quite some dents, I assume.
It sure can. And dents we don't want. They don't really look good in a display at your local supermarket.
True.
So
would you buy a can with a dent? Probably not. So yeah,
no,
that's
really,
a problem. Okay.
So what do you think the pressure on the cans is with this new infeed?
With this new infeed, let me guess. 20% less?
Not really. A little bit more.
30% less?
More.
Really?
Yeah.
40?
Yeah.
Shall we go with 50? I give up.
Yeah, I think it's a little mean. Okay, so let me tell you, it's a mere 6 kilograms.
That's like what, like 70% less?
Indeed, it is. Well,
Wow.
now imagine a person,
Wow.
you know, that weighs about 155 kilos. Well, not quite there yet, but you catch the drift, right? Now this person goes on a diet and suddenly weighs around about maybe 60 kilograms. That would be pretty impressive, right?
Yeah, it sure would. I don't think that 60 kilograms would suit you to say that, but if I was a can and you stepped on me, I would be glad for any gram less. So yes, I get your point.
Yeah, right, you see? Well, thanks for the compliment, by the way. Okay, well, shall you have a look at the other side of the machine now?
Yes, please. Let me guess,
Okay.
you also came up with something unique and exciting on that side.
All right, of course, all right. So remember how I talked about the mass flow conveyors providing the line's buffer?
Sure.
This is now integrated into the machine. See, there we go. And this basically means that we use less space is used for the buffer. It is completely digitalized. It acts on the first in and first out principle and has its very own intelligent control system.
If I look at the picture, is the exit also single line? The
Yeah,
discharge?
absolutely,
Yeah?
it is.
Okay.
And this also reduces complexity again and also the need for space. Plus, it allows for elegant PU logger handling.
A what?
Well,
An elegant?
elegant PU
logger
logger handling.
Fancy. Wow. Okay.
Right. Oh, this just means that the logger can now conveniently be parked right outside in the doors of the discharge module.
Okay.
So the machine can carry on producing, and as such, the line won't stop.
No downtimes.
No downtimes. That's what it's all
That's
about.
what we want. Okay. Is it possible to take a glimpse inside the machine to see a bit more how it works, or is that a top secret thing here?
No, we can. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's have a little sneak peek real quick. But spoiler alert, we can actually show this in real life, right? You just have to take a look right behind you. There is this fancy new container.
The shipping container over there?
Absolutely, that one, yes.
That's the place to be.
That's
after
where you
the
can actually take a
presentation.
look at the machine in real life. Correct. All right, so first off, back to business. We have the main conveyor belt, our trusted marathon belt for low maintenance operation with the highest life expectancy. And at the end, you'll find yet another belt. And this one acts as our buffer. It is completely digitalized. It works kind of like the PU control system of the pasteurizer. And that way our customers have precise knowledge of the overall health of the buffer at any given time. And the buffer section comes in 3 different sizes, allowing for a wide range of buffer times.
What does wide range of buffer time mean when you compare it to conventional lines?
Shall we do this again? You make an educated guess?
You know I'm not good at this, but okay, let me be bold this time. Double the amount.
Close, but no dice.
Triple the amount.
Also close, but
Okay, tell me.
nowhere near that. Okay,
I'm
but
really
not
not
bad
good at
though,
this.
not bad. All right, so we actually managed to go up to 8 minutes of buffer. Now, you can do your math.
That's no, 5? 5 times?
It's about 5 times, yes.
5 times?
Yes, absolutely.
That is
And as we
pretty
all know,
impressive.
time is money, right?
It sure is.
But that is not the only massive advantage with the setup. So what else can you think of?
Footprint?
You are an expert already.
I tried my
There you
best.
go. Space is a premium commodity for most of our customers. The buffer usually comes in form of mass flow conveyors or accumulation tables, as you can see here in this layout. This is a traditional can line running at 96,000 cans per hour. Well, what do you think of the layout?
Looks pretty sleek, I'd say.
Well, it actually is. Well, our layout department consists of magicians, if you ask me. But let's squeeze the buffer into the pasteurizer and see what happens, shall we?
Magic I like, so let's make this magic appear.
All right, there we go. This is the very same line, just with the LinaFlex eSync at the very heart of it.
Wait a minute, this is all the extra space there?
It
It's
is.
now free?
It's completely
Imagine
free
what
now.
you could
Yes.
do with that.
Yeah, absolutely. So our customers can fill this space with whatever they need. For example, with an MCC room, or a meeting room, or why not even a basketball court to keep the employees fit, right?
Yeah, good idea. I think I would go with that.
Me too. I mean, the difference is fairly apparent, wouldn't you agree?
It is incredible. It's like almost, yeah, unbelievable. Unbelievable.
All right.
And imagine when there's less space, you need it even more.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, so there are even more advantages, obviously. But to explore those, I wholeheartedly invite you all to visit our exhibit. And it's just one more thing that I definitely don't want to keep from you, as it took us quite some effort to get this.
Wow, now I'm curious. What is it?
Well, we've managed to convince our customer Deco Drinks to allow us to take a peek into their can line.
Wow, I love that. Really sneak peek behind the scenes. All right, what are we seeing?
This is just the can line that we have there. I thought it would actually go with music, but no worries. Here we go.
Wow, thank you very much, Deco Drinks, for letting us have a glimpse behind the scenes. And Shane, thank you so much for making this possible. Now it's time for action, I would say. And you already spoiled that you brought the line with you to drinktec. So what are you looking forward to? Exchange of ideas? Are you open to feedback?
Absolutely. That has been the feedback has already been overwhelming, and we hope to use the last 2 days to actually increase this and talk about our LinaFlex eSync even more.
And this is exactly how shaping the future works, right? Exchanging ideas, thinking bold and outside the box. And this is exactly what you do at Krones. And listen to your customers so that you really make sure you develop what they want and need. Thank you so much for joining us live here in Hall B6 and online via live stream. And now let me invite you to take this unique opportunity to talk to Shane. Thank you for being with us today and for explaining so well. Your applause. Thank you.
Thank you.